Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to Apple Pay someone on iMessage. Let's get started. Before sending anything though, it's important to first enable Apple Pay and Apple Cash, connect a bank account or a debit card, and then add some funds. To do this, open the Settings app, scroll down, and select Wallet and Apple Pay. You'll hear terms like Apple Pay and Apple Cash used interchangeably, so let's clear that up. Apple Pay is the system built into your iPhone that enables digital payments, while Apple Cash is like a prepaid debit card that lives inside your wallet and allows you to store, send, and receive money. At the top of the screen, make sure Apple Cash is enabled. The next step is to add a bank account or a credit card if you haven't done that already. This is how you'll be able to fund your Apple Cash balance. To do this, tap Add Card at the bottom, then on the next screen, select Debit or Credit Card and follow the steps to link your bank card. Once you're finished, you'll see your cards displayed in the list. At this point, you can either rely on Apple Cash to automatically pull funds from your linked card if your balance is low, or you can manually add money to your Apple Cash balance. To add funds manually, tap your Apple Cash card, then select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to add, with the minimum being $10, then tap Add at the top right. Confirm the funding source and finalize with Face ID or Touch ID. Once money is available in your Apple Cash account, you're ready to send it to someone. The easiest method is to send money directly within iMessage, which is likely the method you'll use most often. Open the Messages app and start a conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap the plus sign to the left of the message bar, then choose Apple Cash from the menu. Enter the amount you'd like to send, tap Send, and it will appear in the message thread. You can then send the message to your contact, who will be able to accept the money on their end. And that's how you can send Apple Cash to other iPhone users using Apple Pay. By the way, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly and cheaper alternative to Apple Pay, I recommend Wise. I use it personally. Wise consistently beats banks and payment apps on fees and conversion rates. Plus, you get a free debit card for spending online or in-store. Best part? If you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is free. Quick, easy, and no hidden fees.